Welcome to InnovEngine. Experience unstoppable off-road power, luxury overlanding, and smart compact travel. Discover solar-powered innovation, modular living spaces, and high-tech elegance. The future of mobility is here. Stay tuned. Bruder EXP-7 ChatGPT John Noy. The Bruder EXP-7 is the ultimate blend of luxury and durability, designed for off-grid adventurers who seek both comfort and capability. Built with a military-grade chassis and advanced suspension system, the EXP-7 glides over rough terrains, from rocky mountain trails to sandy deserts, ensuring a smooth, stable ride no matter the landscape. Its robust, weatherproof body is crafted to withstand extreme conditions, offering unmatched protection and reliability. Inside, the EXP-7 redefines overlanding luxury. The interior boasts premium materials, a fully equipped kitchen, a cozy sleeping area, and smart climate control, creating a sanctuary in the wild. With solar power integration, large water storage, and cutting-edge off-grid technology, this vehicle is engineered for long-term, remote exploration. The Noovo Pop is a compact, modular camper designed for flexible, on-the-go living. With its expandable design, smart storage, and modern amenities, it transforms any spot into a cozy, functional space, perfect for spontaneous adventures. The Crawler ALP-56560 is a formidable off-road beast, engineered for adventurers who refuse to be confined by roads or boundaries. Built on a reinforced steel chassis with an advanced independent suspension system, it delivers exceptional stability and control, allowing it to conquer rocky trails, steep inclines, and remote wilderness with ease. The high ground clearance and heavy-duty all-terrain tires ensure maximum traction, while its powerful drivetrain tackles the harshest environments head-on. But the ALP-56560 isn't just about raw power. It's thoughtfully designed with a spacious, well-insulated interior that balances rugged functionality with modern comfort. Equipped with smart storage solutions, durable yet stylish finishes, and integrated technology for off-grid living, it offers both practicality and a touch of luxury. Whether you're navigating untamed landscapes or setting up camp in the heart of the wild, the Crawler ALP-56560 promises unmatched performance, freedom. The living vehicle HD30 is the pinnacle of sustainable luxury travel, designed for those who dream of off-grid living without sacrificing comfort. Built with a sleek, aerodynamic aluminum shell, the HD30 is both durable and stylish, capable of handling remote destinations with ease. What sets it apart is its impressive solar-powered system, generating enough energy to run appliances, charge electric vehicles, and support long-term off-grid stays. Inside, the HD30 offers a modern, open-concept living space with high-end finishes. A gourmet kitchen, spa-like bathroom, and a multi-purpose lounge that transforms into a cozy bedroom. Smart technology integrates seamlessly, providing climate control, lighting, and energy management at your fingertips. The Halcyon Lux is a masterpiece of high-tech design and luxury, crafted for modern nomads who seek both style and innovation on the road. With its sleek, futuristic exterior and aerodynamic build, the Halcyon Lux combines elegance with functionality, effortlessly gliding through any journey. Built for off-grid living, it features an advanced energy system powered by solar panels and lithium batteries, ensuring sustainable travel without compromising convenience. Inside, the Halcyon Lux offers a refined living space with premium materials, from soft-touch surfaces to custom cabinetry. The open-plan design includes a fully equipped kitchen, a spa-inspired bathroom, and a smart lounge area that converts into a plush sleeping space. Integrated technology allows seamless control of lighting, climate, and security systems via a touchscreen or mobile app. The Leisure Unity is a sleek and versatile Class B+ motorhome, perfect for travelers seeking both comfort and mobility. Built on the reliable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, it offers smooth handling and fuel efficiency, making long journeys effortless. The Unity stands out with its modern design and innovative use of space, featuring multiple floor plans that adapt to your lifestyle. Whether it's a spacious lounge, a Murphy bed setup, or a dedicated bedroom. Inside, luxury meets practicality with high-end finishes, a fully equipped kitchen, a stylish bathroom, and smart storage solutions. Advanced technology like touchscreen controls, solar power options, and energy-efficient appliances ensure you stay connected and comfortable on the road. The Leisure Unity combines the freedom to explore with the elegance of home, making every trip an unforgettable experience.